IndiQube Baner features a customer-centric co-working space in Pune, located at Unity Towers. The workspace is spread over 42,000 square feet, within a structure of ground plus 6 floors flaunting 3 private offices and several individual desks. Plug-and-play setups at IndiQube come loaded with amenities such as fast Wi-Fi, air conditioning, tea, coffee, printers, reception area, ergonomic chairs, housekeeping and security. The workspace boasts a vibrant community of business mavericks and thought leaders. Join the vibrant ecosystem with this flexible office space in Pune and take your work to new heights. For availability, pricing, customized solutions and exclusive deals, speak to your workspace advisor at Flexo today. For more details, visit the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.